There we go. I don't even want to know what the hell that is. That can't all be us, can it? I've only lived here 11 months.
May very well be. It smells something awful. Are you still getting video?
Mm-hmm.
You realize it's gonna be sideways. That video doesn't, yeah. That video doesn't taste like that.
Oops. Things Allison doesn't know.
Yeah, crap. I'm gonna have to clean this bathtub something good.
Well, hopefully we won't be showering in a puddle tomorrow morning.
Oh.
Man, that's dirty and gross.
Should get Uncle John on FaceTime so he can see what his snake is doing for us.
No, we'll just post it online and direct him to the website.
He works too.
Maybe it's a pregnant lady thing, but the fact that I'm hungry has not been discouraged by the smell of this stuff.